Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. I have a very exciting recipe for you today. I've made keto low carb chips. No almond flour in it, no coconut flour in it, no whey protein isolate in it, just one very special ingredient. Let me show you how they've turned out and make you hear the crunch. So here they are. Like chips, like potato chips. And let me make you hear the crunch. Ooh! So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. Yeah, we're making chips with chicken. So take one chicken breast and chop it up roughly and put it into a blender. Give it a nice little blend. It'll almost emulsify. Now we are going to put in a few herbs and spices. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm also putting liquid smoke, which is optional. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of that. And let's give it a good blend again. Really blend it well so that it will almost come together like a dough. So here is what it looks like, completely like a dough. Now I've put it on a parchment paper or silicone mat, and we're going to roll this out really thin. Yes, the thinnest you've ever rolled out anything that's keto low carb. In fact, so thin that you can almost see your hand when you lift the chicken dough from the paper. We are not going to lift it up, but let me show you how thin I want you to roll it out. You'll be able to see your hands through it. And once it's ready, we are going to put it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for anywhere between 40 to 45 minutes, keeping a watch on it and seeing where it's crisping up. And try to make it equal when you roll it out so it bakes also nice and easily. You can probably also make this in the air fryer but I don't know how it'll fit in the air fryer because one chicken breast really goes a long way. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So in case you find on one side it's not baked properly, in the middle of your baking time, turn it around and let it bake a few more minutes. And you break it up and you can store it in a Ziploc bag and keep it on your countertop. And lovely to have along with your dips and sauces. Hear the crunch. I hope you can hear it. These are really well worth the time. And thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell. Thanks then. Bye.